A quick question. How many connections is your app opening to PostgreSQL right now? If you are running Django, Rails or Spring with default settings, the answer might be terrifying you. Each PostgreSQL connection costs about 10 MB of RAM. Set max connections to 500 and you are all just result of 5 GB of RAM before single query runs. This is a process per connection model. Every new connection forks a new backend process. This is fundamentally different from, say, MySQL's thread per connection model. It is more stable and isolated, but it's far more resource intensive. A modern microservices world where you might have 20 service instances, each opening like 20 connections, you hit limit fast. So connection pooling like Postgres PgBouncer, it sits between your app and Postgres, and it multiplies many app connections into a smaller number of connections. A Django running on Kubernetes with 15 pods, each configured with the connection pooling of 20, that's 300 direct connections to Postgres. During a traffic spike, the OOM-killer start terminating Postgres process every night around 2 AM when a batch job kicked in along with the regular traffic. And the fix, PgBouncer in transaction mode. Sitting between the pods and the Postgres, the 300 app-side connections were multiplexed down to 30 actual Postgres connections. The RAM usage dropped by 2.7 GB. The OOM-killer stopped entirely.
You see here, max connections are 100. This is in PostgreSQL file. File. You can check here database connections. We are connected to local because PgBouncer is installed inside the same VM as PostgreSQL server, and the PgBouncer config files and the port that is listening for application, and this is the authentication type, and these are the location where the Postgres users passwords will be there, which are encrypted, so one can look into it. And there are transactions, PG pool mode transaction is there, and session and statements. Adding functions you can see with these comments.
If your app opens more than 50 direct connections to Postgres, you definitely need a connection pooler. PgBouncer takes 15 minutes to set up and can save you from next OOM-kill.